Have you ever wondered how scientists discovered a new planet last year, or how they created COVID vaccines so quickly? The answer might surprise you. It wasn't just human scientists doing the work. A technology called artificial intelligence, or AI, is helping make incredible scientific discoveries happen faster than ever before. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how this is changing our world. So, what exactly is AI? Think of AI as a super smart computer assistant that can spot patterns and process information much faster than humans. Imagine trying to read 1,000,000 books to find a specific fact that would take you years, but AI can do it in minutes. This makes AI perfect for science, where researchers often need to analyze huge amounts of data to make discoveries. Scientists are now using AI in astronomy, medicine, chemistry, and even to fight climate change. Let's look at some amazing examples of AI in action. In astronomy, AI helps find new planets by scanning thousands of telescope images. In 2019, a high school student named Juliana worked with scientists using AI to discover a planet that human researchers had completely missed. The AI spotted tiny changes in star brightness that showed a planet was passing in front of it. Just like you might spot your friend in a crowded photo, AI can spot planets among thousands of stars. Creating new medicines normally takes up to 10 years, but AI is making this much faster. During COVID-19, AI analyzed the virus structure and helped test potential treatments in months instead of years. It's like having a super fast assistant who can predict which medicine recipes might work best without having to mix every possible combination. AI is also helping us understand climate change. Google's DeepMind created an AI system that can predict rain with amazing accuracy up to 2 hours in advance. This helps communities prepare for floods and storms. Scientists are using AI to track endangered animals by analyzing thousands of photos from cameras in jungles and forests. My favorite part? You don't need to be an adult scientist to use AI. Many young people your age are joining citizen science projects where they help train AI to identify galaxies, animals, or historical documents. So let's wrap up what we've learned. AI is transforming science by finding hidden patterns in massive amounts of data, speeding up medicine development, helping protect our planet, and making incredible discoveries possible. The most exciting part? This technology is becoming more accessible every day. You could join a citizen science project, try AI programming with Scratch, or even use AI tools in your next school science fair. Who knows? Maybe your future discovery using AI will change the world. What scientific mystery would you want to solve with AI?